Hey, good Friday afternoon, folks. So I just got a call about government funding and that Donald Trump had stopped all government funding. So after doing my research, I like to say that that's incorrect. So first thing I like to tell you guys is there's a difference between federal and state funding. Now, when it comes to that funding, how it's allocated, how the decisions are made, is an organization of some type, they receive that grant and you agree or you go into contract to stay in compliance. And what that means is using the funds for exactly what it was meant in a certain period of time. And you have to be in compliance with that. And so the reason that the PAW was put in place is because organizations had been taking millions, billions of dollars, had not been in compliance. Nothing has been getting done, and someone has to step in. Whenever you're out of compliance when it comes to receiving government money, whether it's from federal directly to organizations or to the state, or whether it's from the state that comes into organizations or small businesses, there's a compliance officer who is there to make sure the integrity of the grant being handled out. And when you're not in compliance, you get a due diligence period. And if you're not in compliance or meeting the standard, that funding can be reconveyed. How do I know this? Right now, I'm currently in agreement with the state of Michigan. My company, Quality View Properties, we are Mr. Grant Award winner, and we are receiving funds from the state to provide affordable housing in the city of Detroit. Now, we're taking our 4-unit apartment. We're receiving the funds from the state of Michigan to renovate and remodel this apartment complex and provide affordable housing to a lucky number of families who are on time and in need of housing at that particular time. And so you guys ask, how did I get this? Well, a young lady, follow her social media, I am Shatava. Shatava was a grant proposal manager that handled government grants for a couple major companies where she made them millions and millions of dollars over the years. Shatava decided to go into business for herself. And so with that being said, I approached Shatava. We got my business structure together. We then decided to go after some opportunities where I can give back and I can build and scale my business and work with the government. And so Shatava put together my proposal, got all the documentation, and submitted me, and I became the award winner, which you see here, Quality View Properties, for the MSHDA grant in the state of Michigan, providing affordable housing. So y'all make sure y'all follow Shatava. Shatava has just started her grant class. She has a number of attendees who's already registered and starting next week, who is serious about building their business and going to the next level. Now, what I would say to you guys is this: the funding is funding that can potentially change your life while you do your part to help build and lift the economy. And so you guys make sure y'all check in with Shatava. Go ahead, register for her class. If you're serious about building and scaling your business and you need funding, you make sure you go ahead, you get under Shatava's supervision, you take her course, you learn about it, get your information, get it submitted, and hey, maybe you be one of the lucky individuals who are available to receive a piece of the $40 billion that the government has given to the state of Michigan, as well as in other states. Now, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and support me for more information like this. Subscribe to my YouTube page, Risk Takers, Big Business and Real Estate. My name is David. Y'all go ahead and check out. I'm giving weekly information on what it is to be an investor, a serial investor for beginners all the way to seasoned investors, and about the process and do's and don'ts so that you can make your process a little bit easier. I'm also going to be bringing on people to talk about the risks they take in their fields and how they've built and scaled and made empires and how they're creating generational wealth for them, their family, and their kids' kids down the line. So y'all make sure y'all tune in and support us. Thank y'all for checking us out. Let's get it.